Research complete.
Ops, we are in position. Collection underway. Send transmission.
Operations.
Upgrade complete. Recon production complete. Upgrade complete. Probe is away. Probe launching.
Send message. Understood. Route laid in. Reduce close rate. Watch avoidance minimums.
Research complete.
Control. Metrics on this.
Bomber production complete.
Material density is even higher than expected. I'm adjusting, but don't be surprised to see fluctuations in feed rate. We're sending a workaround via data link. Let us know if there's a problem.
Upgrade complete. Interceptor production complete.
Go for bomber. Receiving.
Research complete.
Standing by. Brace for acceleration. Understood. Going hot. Corvette ID confirmed. Reporting. Enemy strike craft sighted. Adjusting.
Railgun Corvette ready. Alert. Strike craft taking losses.
Threat detected. Enemy strike craft.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Command channel open.
Taking heavy damage. Direct on top of Field has been designated.
Alert. Strike craft losses mounting.
Ready.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Received. Confirmed TMC just waiting clear to manage. React.
Railgun Corvette production complete. Research complete. In priority alert, we are losing strike craft.
Vector cleared.
Priority alert. High strike craft losses being reported. Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Send. Rolling into SO. You got us, lead?
Send transmission.
I have you on scope. Send message. We are ready for orders, Command. Escort.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Relax a bit. We've got your 6. Lead copies. SF here. Go full viz.
Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Understood. Moving to escort. Come in, lead. I got your last. But my screens are looking clear. Data link go for assault. Welcome to the hunt.
Confirmed. Packet received. Establishing SO. Lead, do you copy?
Just continue with us. We'll advise. This is the cycle SO patterns. Check for position. Guessing. Receiving. Moving to intercept.
Interceptor production complete. Research complete.
Mothership.
Don't take your eyes off the scanners for a second. We don't need any surprises. Comms, update to fleet as follows. Control room position. Particulate density is off the charts as usual out there. Collectors are loving it. But the intake filters are taking a reading. Request a review of control and maintenance SOPs based on our last collection report. Controller inbound. I'm seeing some pushback on the stick. Setting avoidance to alert only. Going manual. Attack.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Tracking soldier.
Upgrade complete.
Ready to copy. TMS is updating. Refresh your monitors. Confirmed. Assuming aggressive stance.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Fire.
Enemy carrier, range at your lead, any fire.
Good kill. Ship target.
and launching.
Fleet Corvette taking heavy damage.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Priority alert. Strike craft suffering heavy losses.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Taking heavy damage.
Alert. Strike craft taking losses.
Ready to copy. Taking heavy damage. Send. Confirming security escort. Awaiting link ID. Lead copies.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Reerected. Corvette down. Thinking too much. Splash one. Coming around. On your formation. Target hit. Watch the blast radius.
Production complete. Carrier operational and launching. Assault frigate ready for action.
Send message. Frigate. Damage critical. Enemy Corvette destroyed. Say again, Corvette. CCIP limits off. Maintain fire.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Dynamic range is good. Merge verified.
Got it. Scratch one enemy frigate.
Channel open. Stand by.
Target 0. Watch for support fire.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Firing.
Caution. Resource controller taking damage.
Ops controller. Site looks good. Collection is underway. Tracking target. Good luck. Good track. Receiving. Send message.
Caution. Resource controller hull integrity at 75%.
Nailed it.
Send transmission.
Enemy Corvette down.
Alert. Resource controller hull integrity at 50% and falling.
Copy. Launching your track.
Hostile contact. Engaging strike craft.
Go for intercept.
Warning. Resource controller nearing critical. Hull integrity at 25%. Resource controller destroyed.
Systems go. Send.
Alert. Resource controller hull integrity at 50% and falling.
Critical damage to controller. Screens are down. We're blinded here.
Warning. Resource controller nearing critical. Hull integrity at 25%.
CCIP limits off. Maintain fire.
We have lost a resource.
Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
Target in range. Carrier comms open. Send. Ready to copy.
Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
Let's hope we see
You
them
as the
first.
primary. I don't want any surprises.
Destroyer is ready for action. Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
Ready.
Interceptor production complete.
Awaiting orders. Our Copy.
Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
You'll be the first to know when we get a hit.
Ready to copy. Board just lit up. We're clear to pursue and engage. Adjusting system presets. Trying to halt the interference. Fleet, interceptor lead. In position and standing by. Strike ready. Weapon feeds are clear. Turrets tracking on HE. Receiving. Moving on target. Multiple pings coming back. Watch the deck for loose debris. Ready. Good copy. Leading them in. Take the shot. Tones are strong. Copy. We're set for range. Receiving.
Command channel open.
Send message.
Hold steady.
Concentrate fire is needed. Verify approach.
Adjust close rate. Sweep around.
Confirmed. Tracking is good.
Research complete.
Maintain tracking. Don't lose it. I can't push out fast enough. Weapons set. Weapons are hot.
Stay on him.
Get ready for my break. Set transmission.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Update point. Over in touchdown. Expect materials update shortly.
Send transmission. Lead it.
Carrier comms open. Send.
Maintain lead. Set fire. Ready to copy.
Fleet, assault frigate is going critical.
Setting for SO.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Send message.
Left hand establishing security orbit. Lead.
Receiving. Send transmission.
Target 0. Watch
Break.
fire.
Check target.
Channel open. Stand by.
Corvette is off the board.
Focus attack. Don't let it get away.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Good luck. Coming around.
Interceptor production complete.
Into you. Hostile Corvette.
Watch your break.
Shift.
Caution, destroyer taking effective fire. Hull integrity down to 75%.
Ship destroyed.
Ready to copy.
Assault frigate ready for action.
Intercept. Keep steady and watch the cross.
Burn. Send message.
Nailed it.
Hostile Corvette down.
Upgrade complete.
Send message.
Critical hit.
frigate ready for action.
Alert. Destroyer hull integrity at 50%.
Visual lock. Corvette destroyed. Locks in
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
Copy. Pushing through.
Corvette is off the board.
Fleet. Assault frigate is
Assault frigate ready for action.
Destroyer reporting critical damage.
Check your lead. Ready to copy.
Warning. Destroyer hull passing 25%.
ready. Set. Rolling into SO. Fleet.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
Set message.
Assault frigate ready for action. Destroyer is ready for action.
Critical hit. Enemy Corvette destroyed.
Target eliminated.
Upgrade complete.
We have lost a destroyer.
Upgrade complete.
There it goes. Capital ship down.
Assault frigate ready for action.
We copy.
Battlecruiser construction complete.
Interceptor on deck. Sarah figures. Send message.
Engage SLS as needed.
Copy, DC. Approach locked in.
Channel open. Understood. Moving to escort. Come in, lead. SO confirmed. Position set.
Upgrade complete.
Officer, collectors are out.
Battlecruiser call.
Materials uptick incoming.
Receiving.
Send message. Receiving.
Go for destroyer.
Ready to copy. Target eliminated. Frigate down.
Systems go. Send. DC, command.
Frigate destroyed.
Interceptors stacked and ready.
Clear classification. Set for going up in range. Adding you on that.
Copy, DC. Confirmed. Nav link is clean.
Send message. Confirmed. Lead to update.
Receiving. Escort.
Escort required. Or 2 will assist.
Assault confirms. Data link is clean.
Channel open.
Set to aggressive.
Stand by suppression fire. Carrier comms open. Establish SO. Helm to coordinate. Set for security orbit. Escort. Establish link.
SO position clear. Ready.
Screen as needed. Leave CIC to coordinate. Carrier moving to escort. Please advise. Confirmed. You are clear to approach.
Send transmission.
Vector for escort.
Security escort. Awaiting link ID.
Battle cruiser copies.
Push through. Take it out. Got it in dynamic range. Ready to copy. Direct hit. Come about new target. Send your message. All right.
Interceptor production complete.
Channel open.
Target 0. Watch for support fire.
Destroyer here.
Unit is free to set its own attack priorities.
Ops update. Resource operations underway. On target. Within arm X. That got him. Scratch 1. Interceptor reads. Switching forward 180. Remains verified. Fire mission set. Ready to copy. Receiving. Understood. Moving to escort. Come in lead. Target set. Helm full burn. Receiving. Target. Set. Don't let it get away. Move us in. Maintain active scan. Hostile frigate destroyed. Move. We're on it. Corvette destroyed. Ready. Receiving.
Shift to combat acceleration.
Recheck ROE before engaging. We take lead, center fire. Corvette destroyed.
Send transmission.
Tracking solid. Engaging battle cruiser. Contact.
Alert. Enemy frigate closing.
Caution. Destroyer is taking fire.
Send transmit. Send message. Copy that. We have contact. Enemy frigate. Position on mark. Copy. On it. 2-6 is mine. Gun on. Hostile ship down. Ready to copy. Send message.
To passive. Initiate defensive tactics.
Ready for order.
Board 1. Defense mode.
TMC is spicing up. Give me a sec.
Damage critical. Board 2 emergency. Alert. Board 2. Engaged by enemy strike craft.
Setting cap. EOS deployed. Target down. Ready. Set. Critical damage to assault frigate. Moving control. Fleet. Assault frigate reporting critical damage. We got.
Craft losses mounting.
Receiving.
South Forward destroyed.
Train interference accounted for. Target on the board. Helm, bring us around.
Proximity alert. Enemy carrier. Watch that turret fire.
The waves coming off the structure.
Command, move complete. Destroyer ready.
It does not look random. Direct hit. Bring it down.
Adjust close rate. Sweep around. Enemy carrier engaging. Adjust.
Go for a second.
Get out of here. Get that thing.
Caution, battlecruiser has been engaged.
Fleet battlecruiser. Move complete and hold.
Hostile frigate down. Set message.
Priority alert, we are losing strike craft.
Line them up. Critical hit.
Maintain track. Don't lose it. Corvette down.
Adjust fire. Engage target.
Taking heavy damage. We can't push out fast enough.
Caution, destroyer taking effective fire. Hull integrity down to 75%.
Maintain track. Stay down.
South Forward destroyed.
Got it.
We're in overload.
Clear the lanes, Quicksilver. Wheels charging. Fleet, assault frigate is going critical.
It's cascading.
Got it.
We're bursting up.
It's critical.
She's gonna blow.
Alert, destroyer hull integrity at 50%.
Coming around.
Ops, controller. We are in position. Collectors are active.
Locks it out. Okay, lock it out. Critical hit. Enemy Corvette destroyed.
Caution, carrier has been engaged.
Proceed. Confirm.
Board 1. Passive mode.
South new target. Use them up. Take a break. Set transmission.
Everything's in the red.
We're moving on, Cap.
Go E&E.
Sensor contact. Enemy destroyer closing in.
Board 1 to aggressive. You're authorized.
Priority alert, high strike craft losses being reported.
Channel open. It's over. Come around on new target.
Firing.
Send message. Guard confirmed. Helm, confirm SO. That's all copies. Escort to disregard data pack 01.
We copy.
02.
Set range for target.
Caution, destroyer taking effective fire. Hull integrity down to 75%.
Target
Attention.
visual. Passive only on approach. Target hit.
Got it in dynamic range.
Reactor lock. Lining up. Lead into it.
Suppression frigate is now ready.
Rocky's good.
Warning, destroyer hull passing 25%.
Assault frigate is critical.
Battlecruiser hull at 75%. Caution, carrier has been engaged.
Going to monitor.
Command channel open.
Suppression frigate is now ready.
Resource operations online. Enemy Corvette destroyed. Say again, Corvette.
Warning, destroyer hull passing 25%.
Hostile Corvette destroyed.
A destroyer has been lost.
Suppression frigate is now ready.
Friendly destroyer down.
Alert, Battlecruiser hull integrity now at 50%. Caution, carrier hull at 75%.
Send message, please. Critical damage to us.
Fleet, battlecruiser has been heavily damaged.
Fleet, assault frigate.
Warning, Battlecruiser hull at 25% and falling.
Suppression frigate is now ready.
Ready to copy. Corvette down. Tracking target. Ready for counting.
Mothership. The battlecruiser has been destroyed.
Suppression frigate is now ready.